up the tree where new life is about to blossom. Can't wait.
Oh, now that's clever. Crispy maggot on the taco. I love that texture.
Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am?
Oh, shit. Shit. Hi.
Hi. Hi. Am I in the right place? Is this life?
Yes. Sorry. I wasn't expecting you to arrive this
Oh,
early.
no, I think I am actually the early one, so don't worry about it. Are you,
Mom.
Mom?
I'm your mom.
Yeah, I was gonna say Mom. But I didn't want to come on too strong, you know,
Yeah.
but I did feel immediately a kinship towards you, and I like looking in your eyes and feel like you're gonna take care of me, so that's cool.
So this is the nest, and I've expanded it just for your arrival.
This is really nice. What is that, a piece of popcorn?
The popcorn chair. Not saying whose backyard it came from. Steve Buscemi.
Wow, I'm gonna like life, I can tell. I'm gonna really like this. Hey, Mom, I have like this bubble in my stomach, but it's empty. It's like a gurgling. It doesn't feel great.
Oh, of course you're hungry. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Trying to get a little saliva going. Okay, now here, you just gotta sort of tilt your head back.
Oh.
Like that. All right, now open wide.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh, oh God. Please don't. What?
Oh, fuck. I got nothing.
That really scared me.
You know what? It's Mommy's fault. I should have stocked up. I'm just gonna have to run out and grab us a little food. So you stay here. Oh, shit. We didn't name you yet.
Oh,
Do you want to pick your name?
like a forever name?
Yeah.
Like, this is what people are gonna call
Yeah.
me. Okay, that's a lot of pressure. How about Chewy, Chooch.
Okay. How about
Chooch?
Charlie? How about Charlie?
Yeah, Charlie.
Charlie's a nice name.
I love that. Mix it up. Who are we, famous birds?
Okay, Charlie. I'm gone. You're the leader of the nest. So be safe and be brave, and I love you.
Wow. Okay, that felt good.
Mama Bird, taking off. Woo! Flying fucking woo!